Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Earth Zoom trend video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your CapCut application on your mobile phone or on your PC. It's the same, and here I have already opened my CapCut on my PC, and I'm going to add this photo to my timeline. You can add photo or video, and for today's tutorial, I'm just going to use this photo, and then I'm going to apply the Earth Zoom effect. We can go to the effect menu, and then I'm going to choose video effect here. And then we're going to search for Earth Zoom effect. Okay, and you can apply this effect to your photo or your video, and it will create something like this. Okay, and then you can customize the speed here. I'm going to reduce the speed. This is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!